It's not very much to talk about during my everyday activity in this year, especially during the COVID-19 breakout. So it's not much to talk, like I said before. Actually, it's kind of mundane things, as I just went media free every day. Like online learning, and then doing chores, and then doing things that what the lecturer told me to do, and then improving myself, improving my skills, like playing football, and then doing some math things, and then learning what medical things, and then improving my English by watching, and also interacting with strangers on Omegle, if you have ever heard of it.
MashaAllah.
Actually, it's not very mundane or mediocre, like I said before. But long story short, I never go outside until May. I started to go outside really frequently since all my friends from high school had gathered here. So from that point, and then until now, I used to hang out with them at the cafe, at the coffee shop. Also, like, my current appointment is that this is just my experience. I used to watch MotoGP every week.
Where?
Every Sunday at Lemore coffee shop with my high school friends.
Austria?
Yeah, it's in Austria. I heard that Quartararo is not in the pole position. I don't know who the fuck it is. Well, not trying to be rude, because I'm just kind of pissed because Binder, he won the last race. And also Marquez cannot compete in this year's race because of his
Injury.
Yeah.
Right.
That's what makes me very depressed as a Marquez fan. So he failed to accomplish his achievement, to beat the current record of 10 times world champion. So I really wish Marquez I really wish Marquez will be back on track again in the near future. Okay, like I said before, it's not much to say. Any question?
Right, any question? Alright. Since coronavirus hit Indonesia exactly, especially Aceh, since Idul Fitri and then Idul-Adha, big day for massive worldwide nowadays, how many single people did you shake hand and this year?
A lot of people, to be honest. But without ignoring the fact that I must follow the WHO guidelines and their health protocol. So without ignoring that, I will still do normal things. Oh, the GP is starting now.
Yeah.
Moto2, yeah, it's about to start now. It's to Maghrib.
You got another question?
So what do you feel about many people in Banda Aceh, like many people that obedient about protocol here?
Is it obedience or non-obedience?
Obedient, mematuhi. Ya, tidak mematuhi, banyak yang mematuhi protokol, like distance, physical distancing.
Oh yeah, so they're insolent, right?
Washing.
So I feel bad about their insolency. If I'm not mistaken, is it correct? The word insolency, it comes from insolent.
It's insolent.
Yeah. So I just feel bad, and I cannot say much about that. Not much to say about their hard-minded and also close-minded thinking.
Right, any question? Yeah.
While during coronavirus, are there things that do you like when you celebrate Adha?
Specific things that I done during Idul-Adha, well, actually not much. Well, it's not a secret anymore if you love to receive money from your relatives when they visit you or when you're visiting them during Idul-Adha. It's not a secret that everybody loves it. So for the specific things or activity, actually I don't have anything to say because I don't have any activities to do.
Right, any question? You got him right? 100% right?
Oh yeah, you into music? Into music? Well, I used to make some remix from famous songs. Oh, but then no more because I don't have the appropriate application that I used to make music or remix music
On laptop.
Yeah, on my laptop.
Fruity Loop. On
No,
record.
because my laptop is Mac, so I cannot install Fruity Loop.
Oh, so what
I wish I have that Fruity Loop. So right now I only use GarageBand. It is an application which came along when you're purchasing MacBook.
Oh, using a phone.
Yeah.
Before that application, what application do you use for doing the music?
Not only that,
Oh, only that. Oh.
GarageBand.
Oh,
You cannot do much with that application, so like to create some beats
oh,
or to create a very good or sick beat or some remixes. You have so your creativity is limited. What you're going to do is limited by the GarageBand because Apple is they're trying to promote their second music making application, which is called Logic Pro X. So they're trying to promoting that app, which roughly costs about $300 or 4.2 million rupiah. So you would purchase that application because you think that I cannot use GarageBand, it sucks. So I must purchase that $300 application. So it's a bit more like that.
when you make your music, your audio, so what kind of genre is you've done?
I really like Skrillex a lot back then.
Yeah?
So I really like Skrillex a lot back then.
Oh, Skrillex. Oh, dubstep.
Yeah, dubstep, also EDM like that.
Oh,
So
yeah. From 2010, is that?
like 2010 and 2015 vibes. So do you make music a lot?
Cannot do that. I want to learn actually, yeah. But
Oh, so you're asking
I
me
want
if
to
I
learn.
could teach you actually.
mostly
I don't have anything to teach you actually.
my experience more like traditional stuff, like
Traditional.
yeah, jamming with my friends, like studying music, doing vocals.
Oh,
Yeah. So I only do screaming. So yeah,
what
we
genre?
screaming. So starting to sing like Lamb of God, Slipknot.
Slipknot. Oh. You love vintage bands, right?
Not really vintage. Yeah.
Vintage metal band. I don't really listen to them a lot except like Green Day or Metallica or Guns N' Roses.
Oh.
Also
Those are vintage.
AC/DC.
Yeah, those are vintage.
Yeah.
Right, any question? No more question. Pick somebody else.